Hello students, welcome to the Krish Cambridge School online classes. This is the class for 6th. Our subject is English and today we will be discussing your chapter 4th, which is Marconi makes history. In this chapter we will read that how Marconi actually created the history as he invented अ बेल, जिसको कि क्या कहा जाता है, जो एक रिंगिंग बेल होती है विच इज़ हैविंग अ बटन. आप उस पर क्लिक करते हैं तो आवाज़ आती है. कुछ इस तरीके की बेल वॉज मेड बाय हिम. ओके, एंड दिस वॉज सच अ बिग डिस्कवरी for the whole country, for the whole world, as Marconi was so curious to make new things. As always, before starting the video, I would like to ask all of you that how are you all? I hope that all of you must be fine and safe at home, and you must be completing all your assignments and taking all the online classes and must be feeling good by reading the new things. So let us begin our chapter now. But before that, please take out your English book and keep it in front of you so that you will get a better idea what we are actually talking about. These pictures which I have inserted in the video are only for the reference. आप book अपने सामने रखेंगे, keep a pencil in your hand so that you will get a better idea. Okay, so let's start. Before we begin, many great persons have become in this world who gave many gadgets and made human life easy and comfortable. Marconi is one of them. So there are many great persons in this world who gave many gadgets and made human life easy and comfortable. इस दुनिया में बहुत सारे लोग फेमस हुए हैं. दे हैव डिस्कवर्ड सम न्यू थिंग्स विच हैज़ मेड आवर लाइफ कंफर्टेबल एंड ईजी. ओके, मार्कोनी इज़ वन ऑफ देम. ही गेव मैनी गैजेट्स एंड मेक आवर लाइफ कंफर्टेबल. In this lesson, we know about his great inventor. Now, in this lesson, we will read about Marconi as a great inventor as he invented so many new things. Okay, so let us begin our chapter now. Marconi had the key of his rooms, and even when he was working on his experiments, he kept the doors locked. Marconi के पास अपनी rooms की चाबी थी, and whenever he was working on his experiments, he used to lock his door. He rose early to get back to his work, and he worked late. He starts up early and he ends up late in the night. His mother was concerned to see night after night a light burning at the top of the house. Whenever her mother saw that night after night a light is burning on the top of their house, it means that he is working. He's working in the late nights. Okay, a light burning at the top of the house, she would often knock softly on the door before retiring to bed. Whenever she used to go to bed, just before that, she used to go to her son's room and do the knock knock. A dishevelled, untidy young man would open the door for her and drew her inside, showing her his battery. Now, what happened? Her son takes her inside the room and shows her the batteries which he is making. The homemade apparatus and the seemingly endless tangle of wires and coil. The home was looking like a device. In the seemingly endless tangles, there were so many wires and all of them were tangled and were coiled. Okay, I hope you got it till here as the room was so messy. I think you should go to bed, his mother would say. Always her mother used to say that please go to bed, and our mother also says that please go to bed. If you are doing something at night, please go to bed. I will when I am tired, was his invariable answer. So what he answered then, when I will be tired, I will go to the bed. Signora Marconi was allowed inside the room, but no one else. Okay, Signora was his mother, and only she was allowed in the room, and no one else was allowed in the room. His father mildly explained when he learned that servants were permitted inside the room only on rare occasions in order to remove dust and dirt. And when his father came to know that servants are also you may say are permitted to go inside the room occasionally, because Marconi wanted to clean his room. The servants were not allowed to go to his room, only his mother was allowed to come there. When his father grumbled and wanted to know what his son's idea was, when his father complained that what actually his son is doing, he wanted to know what he is doing in that room. Why is he locked in that room? Signora Marconi set herself on the arm of her husband's chair. His idea, she said softly. Now Signora is sitting near his husband's chair and she is saying his idea, uska idea, she said softly. Is that it is possible for signal even voices to be sent from place to place through the air? क्या ये हो सकता है कि हम आवाज़ को एयर के थ्रू एक से दूसरी जगह भेज सके? कैन दिस बी रियल? कैन दिस हैपन? when well, let him experiment. Now they are talking that let him experiment, he is an inventor, let him do what he want to do. The old man said gruffly, yet it would be pleasant occasionally to see something of one's son. Now the old man is saying that they will be very much happy and proud if they will see something which is invented by their son. They will be so much happy. They will be very, very happy and proud. Marconi had always been sparing of words. In those early days, he told no one except his mother of his hopes. And Marconi, who is the inventor, who is the person who invented so many things which made our life easy, he was very careful of his words, and only his mother knows about his dreams, what he actually wants in his life. At the time of his first experiment, his common sense told him that his idea must indeed look fantastic in the eyes of other. Now when we talk about the first experiment, it says that his common sense, उसकी common sense ने उससे ये कहा that this idea must indeed look fantastic in the eyes of others, that what he is experimenting will fascinate other and will look fantastic to others. Okay, the invention will be you may say fantastic in the eyes of other. The other will like his experiment. He took pains to avoid bringing his ambition to the knowledge of others. He didn't like to do the show off. He didn't like to express his feeling that what he actually wants. So he kept all the things into his heart only. He never shared everything with anyone. Okay, anything with anyone. And he took pain. Okay, he took all the pain to keep his knowledge and ambitions only to himself. Okay, he took pains to avoid bringing his ambition to the knowledge of others. People therefore thought that he did not care for their opinions. Now the people were thinking that he don't care for their opinions. उनकी जो भी सलाह होती है उनको वो नहीं मानता है. In the two rooms at the top of the Villa Griffon, Marconi made with his own hands most of the devices he used. Now the name of the place is Villa Griffon, okay, where his home is, and there are so many handmade devices there. The result of his untutored effort was not neat. It means he was not trained. He has not done any course in making all these devices. It is just his mind that he is so curious. He is trying to make new devices. And all his efforts were not so neat. Everything was not so clean. All the experiments were not successful. He was trying again and again. And this was not because Marconi was not deft with his fingers, as Marconi was not so skillful with his fingers because he was not trained, but because there were scarcely any of the devices he required manufactured. Practically everything which he used had to be homemade or contrived. All the devices which he made, he never wanted it to be practically used or to be manufactured in any factory. He always wanted them to be a part of home and should be used in home only. Okay, much of the devices he used then make us smile now, and most of the devices which he has created when he was young, it makes us smile now. वो अब हमारे चेहरे पर हंसी लेके आती हैं जो डिवाइसेस उसने पहले बनाई थी. This mattered little, however, for his purpose was fixed and his efforts were keen. Why? Because his purpose was fixed. He wanted to invent new things, and finally he did that because he was keen with his efforts. In many of his early experiments, Marconi, complimented by his friends and assistant on his capability of making instruments and devices which fulfill their purpose for the most primitive beginnings. It means that the new experiments or the early experiments which Marconi did for his friends, and you can say all the other people and assistants, were used by them, and they appreciated Marconi for making them for the use. Probably this was due to his vivid imagination, which always enabled him to foresee just how a certain thing would turn out in the end. Because of his vivid imagination, he has a strong imaginative power. This enabled him to see that what the thing is going to be in the end, if he is going to experiment on it, what it will turn out to be, what will be the outcome of this thing. Okay. All during his career, his ability served him to be very good purpose. In all his career, the ability which he was having in himself helped him. Okay. Time did not exist in his schedules, and his schedules were boundless. They were timeless. There was no need for time. The time doesn't matter for him. He used to experiment all days. Even he used to miss his meals. The experiment went through, and if he did nothing of a constructive nature to allay the terror that existed in the minds of the maid at the Villa Grafon, that sudden death lurked in the strange pots which housed his batteries. It means that he was having something in the mind. The tears of the local person who was staying in that villa, something was wrong and he wanted to change it. At least he saw to it that if his experiment went wrong, which they almost variably did, his was the hand responsible for the failure. It means that if he would fail, he will be the only one who is responsible for his failure, but he will always keep on trying. But what we do, we step back. If we start getting फेलियर इन आवर लाइफ, हम क्या करते हैं, हम पीछे बैठ जाते हैं, हम आगे नहीं आते हैं जब हम हारने लगते हैं. बट ही यूज टू ऑलवेज ट्राई. ओके, इट वॉज इंडीड अ प्रूफ ऑफ द डेप्थ ऑफ हिज मदर्स इंटरेस्ट दैट डिस्पाइट हर डेलिकेट हेल्थ, शी वॉज सफरिंग फ्रॉम सम डिजीज एंड शी वॉज हैविंग अ डेलिकेट हेल्थ. Okay, she prevailed upon the family to change from their usual winter habit and remain at the villa. Now what she said that all of them will have to change their habits and will stay at the villa in the winters. They will not have to go outside. Okay, she always kept an eye on the light that burned at the top of the house half the night and climbed the stairs from time to time to knock on the locked door. Now what happened, whenever she saw that the light is burning at the top of the roof, she used to go there, she used to climb the stairs, and time to time she used to go and knock the door of Marconi. Occasionally, a maid would accompany her, bringing a tray of food to the young man, who sometimes forgot the meal times existed. Now, the meal times were there, but Marconi used to forget about them because he was so busy in making his devices that sometimes his mother has to come with a maid carrying the tray of food into her room, bring it into her room because he forgot about the meal times. For all this, she was in her own heart well rewarded. And for all this, in her own heart, she was rewarded. She was happy that she is doing all these things for the child. The Signora one December night had retired to bed, leaving the villa in quiet and darkness. Except for the light in the attics, Golimio had promised when she knocked on his door that it would not be long that night before. Now, what happened on one December night when she left the villa and she went to her room for sleeping? She knew that the Golimio had promised her that today he will sleep early, he will not make it long. She knocked on his door that it would not be long that night before. He too was in the bed. She went there and she knocked, and what she saw that he was also in the bed. Okay, she had been asleep for some hours when a hand shaking her shoulder woke her. Now, what happened when she came back and she slept? Then, what she saw suddenly that there is a hand shaking her shoulder and woke her. एक हाथ है जो कि उसके कंधे पर है और वो उसको उठाने की कोशिश कर रहा है. Now, see what happens next. Turning her head, she saw Golimo with a candle in his hand. Now, what happened? Golimo came there, Marconi came there. Golimo is the name of the Marconi. Okay, now she saw that his son is there, and with a candle in his hand, that firm face of his solemn forehead was in more than customary disorder. She was happy that he was there, but she was shocked too because she was sleeping at that time. Come, mother, he urged, let me show you. Now, what happened? Marconi called his mother to come up and see what he had made. With Signora, there was no need for explanation. She knew. Now she needed no explanation, as she knew that if Marconi has called her, there is something new, there is a successful device. Clothing herself in a dressing gown, she slipped her arm through that of her son, and together they climbed the stairs. Now, what happened? She slipped her arm in Marconi, and both of them climbed the stairs. You are cold, boy, she said, that you are cold. This is the cold night and you are so cold. I have finished now, mother, for tonight. Marconi told her absently. I want you to see now. Marconi had made a new device and he wanted her mother to see that, and he said that, mother, I have finished that. Please watch this, that what I have made. The long attic room were lit by lamp, and in the yellow half light, Signora Marconi saw at one end a apparatus that even her sympathy could not make her begin to comprehend. Now, what happened when she came to the room? She saw that it was lighting up with the lamps, and in the yellow half light, there was yellow half light was of yellow color. Now, what she saw that there is a device, and she was not able to comprehend that what actually was happening. A tangle of wiring loomed about the device. Through the archway in the attic beyond was a compact group of batteries. Now, what she saw that there was a tangle of wires everywhere, and what is happening, and at the end of the room, in the attic beyond, was a compact group of batteries. At the one side there was some tangle of wires, and at the other side there were some batteries. Zinc rods and coils were there. At their side, as they stood, was a small table on which was a key, and on the other side there was a table on which there was a key. There was a key, there were coils and zinc rods and some batteries which she see in the room. Listen, mother, said the boy. He pressed the key. From the far end of the attic came a buzzing. Now, what happened? He said to his mother that, mother, please listen to me, what I have done. He pressed the key. Now, what he did? He pressed the key which was on the table. From the far end of the attic came a buzzing. Now, what happened when he pressed the key? There was a buzzing. A buzzing sound were there. Signora, shivering in her pain now, waited for more, but that, it seemed, was all. Now what happened? She started shivering. That what is happening? By pressing a key there is a buzzing sound. How this has happened? But that, it seemed, was all. It's wonderful, she said with an arm around his shoulder. Now what she said? That, children, you have done something amazing. It's wonderful. Marconi took her back to bed. Now Marconi took her back to the bed where she was sleeping, and wonderful it was indeed, and the experience was so wonderful. He had succeeded in making a electric bell ring. Now what he made? A electric bell ring, in which you can see in the offices, in the government offices, there is a bell, and whenever you press the key, whenever you press the button, there is a buzzing sound. Okay, I hope that you could relate to it. This had been done by means of a radiation at a distance of some 30 feet across space, and this has happened just because of the radiant of the at a distance of some 30 feet across space. This has happened because of the radiation. Later, this young man was destined to bridge the English Channel with messages carried in a matter unknown to the world. And later, what happened? That he destined to go to the bridge, the English Channel, with messages carried in a manner unknown to the world. He discovered so many things on the English channels. Yeah, on that cold December night when he burned his light late into the night in order to turn his dream into disputable facts. Now what happened on that night when he burned the light, जब उसने लाइट जलाई थी into the night in order to turn his dreams into disputable facts, because he wanted to fulfill his dreams. Late still, the vast Atlantic Ocean was to be bridged, and what he did, he crossed the vast Atlantic Ocean. This is what he did. He crossed the vast Atlantic Ocean. But it would scarcely true to say that even these two great epoch-making events gave him a greater thrill than when the electric bell connected with his experiment. Said tinkled out its shrill nose. Now what happened? He crossed the English Channel. Okay, English Channel is a passage in which you could go to the unknown world. Okay, so he crossed it, and he crossed the vast Atlantic Ocean also, and he was thrilled by these two events. Okay, more than that, by which he was thrilled with the electric bell. Okay. Now Marconi was not as enthusiastic as he might have been over such an event. A bell could be made to ring by more than one means, he thought, but the bell made the history. Now he was not so enthusiastic, but this bell ringing had made a history, and we always remember him whenever we talk about this bell. So this was your story about the Marconi. I hope that you have studied it very carefully, as I have explained each and every fact of it to you, and I hope that you will read it again at your home so that you will get a better idea of what we have actually talked about. Okay, students, and your assignment would be to write all the important words that came in the chapter, and you will do comprehension A, B, C, D, E, F. All the comprehension you will do in your notebook. This is your assignment for today. You will be completing all these assignments. There are some simple question which you will be doing. First is the taking the correct answer. Second is true or false. You can do them easily. Then there are fill-ups. There are pick up the words from the lesson which have the meaning. You will find out the meaning, and there are some question answer which you will do. So this will be your homework for today, and this was your chapter about Marconi, that how he actually succeeded in making a new device which made our life easy and simple. So what did you got to learn from this chapter is that if you want to do something new in your life, you can do that. If you are motivated, if you are curious to do something, you can do that. If you are confident आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं अपनी लाइफ में. So all of you will also read with lots and lots of concentration and will pay attention. Don't do this that you will be reading and learning all the night just like Marconi. He was doing the experiments. But from my side, my suggestion would always be to do your studies in the morning, because in morning your mind is in the most fresh mood, okay, and you don't have anything in your mind in the morning, so your mind is fresh. So student, thank you so much for attending my this class. I hope that you enjoyed. I enjoyed too. I hope that all of you will stay at your home. You will be safe and healthy. Keep on doing your assignments and keep on watching these online sessions. Thank you again.